walang kamalay-malay isa. Tulog na tulog doon. Kasi nag-prepare ako na sa birthday niya. Diba guys? May ilaw po yan guys. Pero hindi ko muna inon. Yan, may ilaw siya. So birthday niya bukas. Surprise natin. So yan. Tapos may pakita tayo dito. Ayan, cake. So, happy birthday baby. Good morning guys. Yan, birthday niya ngayon. Dito sa Pilipinas. Pero dun sa US kasi bukas pa yung birthday niya. So, mamaya pag uwi ko, gabi, yun, susurprise ko na siya dyan. Hindi ko muna yan ipapakita. May ilaw-ilaw po yan guys. Yan o. May ilaw-ilaw siya. Kaya, isi-switch ko na lang mamayang gabi. Yan. O, diba guys? So nice. Dapat papalobo ko rin pala yung isa, no? Pero hindi ko alam kung saan ko na ilalagay. Masyadong ano na yan. Tama na yan siguro. Guys, ito yung baon natin ngayon. So, salad siya. Vegetable salads. So, i-wrap muna natin. Ay! I-wrap muna natin. Tapos, ito yung breakfast ko. Braso de Mercedes, tsaka kape. Diba guys? Tapan muna natin guys. Yan. Yan. I-wrap ko muna siya. Then, syempre, ang partner nitong aking vegetable salad is macaroni salad. Ayan. Macaroni salad. Yan. Ito yung ating sauce. Konti na lang. Oh. Sana magkasya yan. Then, yung cake mamaya para sa birthday niya. Diba? Walang kalaman-laman yung ating ref, guys. Ganyan lang siya. It's okay. Walang kalaman-laman yan, guys. Pero dito, meron naman tayo mga sardinas tsaka squid. Yan lang naman, tsaka mga kape. Yan lang. Noodles, yan. So, kain tayo, guys. Yan, papasok na tayo. Guys, pauwi na tayo galing work. Pagdating natin, mayroon tayong surprise sa birthday boy. O, diba? Kunin ko na po. 404. Thank you. Order pa ang pansit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. This is my surprise, baby. Happy birthday.
Oh my god, look at this.
This is the cake. Happy birthday, baby. And pansit for long life. Pansit for long life and cake for sweet and humbleness.
Oh.
Okay. You wish, baby, wish and blow the cake, blow the candle. Wish first and pray. Oh, happy birthday, baby!
Oh, one more candle, baby. One more candle.
Happy birthday! Did you like it, the balloon? Ganon.
Thank you, baby. I love you so much.
I love you more, baby.
I love you. Thank you, baby. Ah, I feel so blessed.
Happy
Time to
birthday.
call.
Birthday. Slice the cake for my babe. And pancit for her for long life and sweet and humbleness. Sweet cake, and my king is right there. He's the one first to bite this cherry and the chocolate cake.
Are you recording?
Yes.
Baby, I thought you were going crazy.
And pancit, baby. Pancit. You need to the first one to bite. Okay.
Thank you, baby.
Thank you, God. So yummy.